So Germain's is a seed technology company. We're part of Associated British Foods, so one of many companies under a big corporate umbrella. We focus and specialise on genetic enhancements for seeds, so everything from vigour, seed enhancement, pelleting, priming, disinfections, to eradicate diseases and help support growers be more profitable with healthy crops.
Germain is a seed treatment company. We're part of ABF, Associated British Foods. I think it's very important that people are aware of that, because we can help a lot of seed companies and growers to optimize and upgrade their seeds. So we're doing pelleting, priming, health, and also making sure that we can actually help them be more profitable and get the maximum out of their seeds.
I think the focus we have as a company on supporting growers and seed companies to get more from what they have and improve quality, looking at things like disinfection, eradicating such seedborne diseases. Like I said, we're really focused on bringing solutions for technical problems in the field, and that's where our R&D organisation is supporting a lot.
Okay, so the one thing that's very important to know is that looking at all the regulations going on in the different parts of the world, we as Germain are really focused to actually make sure that we are fully compliant with that. We can help the seed companies and the growers to maximize the potential they have while making sure that they're fully based on the regulations that they have in their regions.
The amount of effort and energy we give to R&D. To be a business in agriculture today without an R&D organisation, it's not very successful. Your future's pretty limited. And I think they help us really understand, what we can do with a combination of chemistries, new technologies. That's where we're winning, and that's going to help us drive the future as well. Why is R&D important? They're developing the future while we continue to grow the base. That's really helping us. So we give our R&D projects, looking what we talk to customers, understand how we're going to meet their needs. We come back and prioritize and focus on the most important ones, and they go and research what new techniques can help us, and combination, like I said, the chemistry world's changing every day. Biologicals are now coming in and being more professional, more successful, and that's going to help us really win in the future.
Two things are very important. First of all, we are a market and R&D driven organization. We fully understand where the market is heading, having those conversations with our most important strategic customers, and how we translate this back to our R&D focus. I think that's the strength of Germain's. We have the knowledge, we have the experience, but we also understand where the market is heading and what is needed for that. First of all, different segments, sugar beet, flowers, and horticulture. If you look at all those segments, there's one thing in common. All the seed companies having the quality of the seeds, and they want to upgrade that. We as an organization, we fully understand that. We know exactly what needs to be done and how to upgrade those seeds to the level that they are searching for to optimize the performance for their growers.
I think some of the work we're doing currently with farmers is helping them understand where they can be more efficient and more effective with different machinery. We've been working with some really customers now that really want to improve their efficiencies in field. So encrustment is really helping them, improve singulation. That's where we've been focused on understanding which part of our business can help them. So it's not one factor, it's multiple factors. Yeah, I think sustainability, if you look at all the regulations that are coming in chemistries around the world, actually what seed treatments do is give you precision. It's on the seed, it's in the ground, and it's impacting where it needs to impact. Because most growers don't see what's going on below the soil. They only tend to see so seed treatment, seed enhancements give you protection in the soil when the seed hits the ground.
Well, if you look at Europe and regulations coming in place, it's getting more and more tighter. We as Germain should fully understand that. We are developing a product on that and how we can help the growers and the seed companies to be more sustainable, and also helping them in the long-term future. Not only in the short term, but also the long term. I think what we are doing right now in seed treatments, and one of the examples is abiotic stress. We fully understand that the climate change is going on and it has a huge impact also on the growers. Our products are really customized for them to help them to overcome those abiotic stress conditions and still have the performance and the yield that they are searching for.
So at Germain Seed Technology, we work under umbrella brands. So you can see here, we have our priming category, which is really focused on priming, which improves more uniform germination, which helps growers have more uniform stands in the field. With the pelleting, that helps also make seed more usable. So a lot of seed is different, sometimes difficult shapes. And with the pelleting process, it makes it more round, and the drilling machines and adaptation in the field. With film coat, that's a technology we use to apply biologicals, chemistry to the seeds, makes it more clean and more finished. And our health category, that's really where we focus on developing non-aggressive, less targeted on seed-borne pathogens. So we've been really successful with brassica disinfection, carrot disinfection, actually doing less damage to germ vigor and shelf life. And the polymers is a part of the business that we also supply other companies with polymer, so they're using our products to do their own seed treatments.
At Germain, we maximize your seed potential with seed technology solutions.